Hello, my name's Ed Faber and I am the chess librarian. Welcome to my station. Lesson 8, Material Value of Pieces and Special Rules of Chess. In this lesson, we learn the value of each piece. Knowing the value of each piece is important when trading pieces because you have to decide which trade is best. I have two goals that I want to try to reach. One is to expand the knowledge of chess, and the second is to earn money from this channel to Breast Cancer Association and St. Jude's Hospital. Please subscribe. Let's continue our journey. If you make a trade in which you win a pawn and a queen, and your opponent wins a knight, how many points do you gain? Well, a pawn is worth 1 point, and a queen is worth 9, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. Your opponent gets a knight, 3 points, so 10 minus 3 equals 7. 7 points gained. You made a good trade. In diagram 1, what should white do? He can play 1, rook times e3, f times e3, or he can play rook times b6, a times b6. Which is the better exchange? If he captures the knight and the black captured the rook, white gets 3 points and black gets 5. So white loses 2 points, a bad trade. If he captures the queen, white gets 9 points and black gets 5. So white gains 4 points, a good trade. Clearly, white should capture the queen. Gaining points is known as gaining material, and losing points is losing material. Always make sure that you are not making a bad trade that loses material. And be on the lookout if your opponent makes a mistake that gives you a material advantage. There is a special move known as a sacrifice, in which you give up material but gain another advantage, and we will see examples of this later. Do not confuse sacrificing material with making a mistake, where material is lost because you make a poor move. When your opponent attacks one of your pieces, you are usually have to defend it so that you do not lose material. There are 5 ways to defend an attacked piece. Capture the attacking piece, block the attacking piece, move the attacked piece away, protect the attacked piece, counterattack, attack one of your opponent's piece that is more valuable than your piece that is under attack. Let's see some examples of these. Capture the attacking piece. In this diagram, white to move. White knight on e2 is under attack from black's rook on e5. How should he defend it? One way to defend an attacked piece is to simply capture the opposing piece that is attacking it. White plays bishop times e5 and captures the rook. Blocking the attacking piece. In this diagram, black queen is on f5, is attacking white's bishop on f3. White cannot capture the black queen, so he must find another way to defend the bishop on f3. Bishop f4. Blocks the queen, preventing black from capturing the bishop. Of course, black would not want to capture the bishop on f4 with his queen. Why? Blocking does not work when the knight is the attacking piece, since the knight can jump over other pieces. Move away the attacked piece. White's rook on c2 is under attack from black's knight on d4. The knight cannot be captured or blocked. White defends his rook by moving it to rook c2. Defend the attacked piece. In this diagram, white's knight on f5 is under attack from black's rook on f8. White defends his knight by playing rook to f1. This technique generally works when the attacked piece is worth more than the piece being attacked. In this position, the black rook, worth 5 points, is attacking the white knight, worth 3 points. So defending the knight is fine. If black plays rook times f5, white can gain material by playing rook times f5. Lesson 8 should teach you the material values of all the pieces. You should know how to decide if a trade is good or bad. You should know how to defend an attacking piece using the 5 methods described in the lesson. I'll see you next video. It's going to be on special rules. And remember, castle early and often. Have a great week and be safe.